press the power button of the laptop. After that, press F2 from keyboard and coming by setup. By setup coming, then you have to select here in boot sequence, select only here DVD CD RW device drive. You can see it here, CD DVD ROM, and apply. After apply, you press this exit button. This one now restarting the laptop. To now you have to insert the CD for the Windows. Which CD you want, like Windows 8, 10, whatever you want. You have to insert that CD. After that, restart the laptop. After restart the laptop, there is a coming now in the screen. Press any key to boot. You press any key from the keyboard, then coming like this Windows. You can see it here now. After that, this window will become Windows 8. You have to select the longest, which longest you want. Then next. After that, you can see it here. Install now. This is the Windows 8. You have to install. Okay, install. Then wait for the setup. Now setup is starting. You can see it will take some time. You have to select it from here, the Windows version. Windows, this which one, Windows 8 Enterprise, Windows 8 Professional, Windows 8 Client. So I'm just selecting here this Windows Professional 64-bit. Then next. After that, this now is again the stage installing Windows. You have to accept this agreement. Then again next. Press the next button. Then you can see it here. There is a two option. One is upgrade Windows. If you don't want to delete anything, you can select up one. The other one customize. Then you have to delete the partition all. You can check it here. Before have partition like this, you have to delete format. So go to the drive option here down, select and press the delete. Select delete. Same like this. You do all. Okay. Same whatever remaining delete. Okay. Like this you have to do. Then you have to make this one now partition. This one 149 GB. This new. Just apply. This one is now coming only one drive. C drive is 150 GB. We can check it here. We can calculate like how many GB you want. If you want 50 GB, 50 into 1024. So coming 51,200 megabyte. So you can keep like this. If here, if you want to partition like 50 GB, then the rest 100 GB, then you have to do like this. You have to enter this value. Okay, then apply. Now just I want to make 150 GB one drive. So just next, that this one now installing Windows. Windows is installing now. It will take time like 15 to 20 minutes. The video, then I will show you. After that finish, then come like this. Just do next. Now this one is coming. Let's go through the, and you have to write here name, computer name, whatever you want. If you can make write your name, or like just I'm writing for the example this Dell company laptop. I just write Dell. Then there is coming now Wi-Fi selection. I don't want now, so you can do later like that. Then use express settings, and again you have to write here the name. I write the Dell one, then password also if you want. Finalize your settings. Now you can see it here. It's giving hint. We are getting your PC ready like that. After that you can see this window is blinking. Let's start. It's now final. The Windows is installed in your laptops. You can check it here. I will do some normal settings, regular. So if you want to change the background, you can select this one here, background settings. Just you go to this one, you see, and change desktop icon. If you want to put on desktop like my computer, network, red circle bin like that, you can select it from here. It's very easy. It's control panel also. And then after select, you press apply, then OK. You can see it here in the desktop, it's already appeared. So if you have any question, you can comment below. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and like the videos. Thank you.